If email, meetings, and daily tasks are taking over your time, this video is for you, as I'll be showing you how Lindy AI can act like a personal assistant that works for you automatically. I'll be covering what Lindy AI is, how it works, and also how complete beginners are using Lindy AI to save hours daily. No tech skills required. Now, what is Lindy AI? Lindy AI is an AI assistant that watches your work and takes action for you. So instead of constantly checking emails, for example, or manually preparing for meetings and writing the same messages over and over and remembering follow-ups and tasks, Lindy can do those things automatically. A simpler explanation is Lindy AI is like having a smart virtual assistant that follows instructions and works in the background. You tell Lindy, for example, when something happens, what to look for, and what to do next, and it handles the rest. All you need is your phone to have data or service on it, and from there you will be able to collaborate with Lindy. It's perfect. Let me show you how. And by the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up to Lindy AI for completely free for 7 days to test it out yourself. Now let's dive in. Now, let me show you how Lindy AI works. With Lindy, all you need to do is give it a simple rule. So you can tap on the microphone right here and we'll be able to create an agent. So for example, you could set a trigger that whenever you get a new email, it summarizes it and tells you if it is important. So you're not programming, you're just giving instructions in plain English. Or you could tap on New Agent in the top right hand corner, and from here you could choose from one of the many templates that they have, or we can tap on Start from Scratch for example. After you have tapped on Start from Scratch, you will be redirected to this page. From here you'll set a trigger. So this is basically when you would like it to take an action. So you'll tap on Set Trigger. For example, let's say you would like to set trigger whenever you receive an email. And by the way, you can see that it can be connected to numerous things. So you could also set it to respond to Notion. You can do numerous things. If we were to type in email, you can see email received, email sent, new attachment received. There are numerous options that you could choose from. So let's say, for example, whenever we receive an email, we'll tap right there, so that will be the trigger. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and from here you can choose the action that you would like to happen. So you can tap on Perform an Action. After you have tapped on Perform an Action, you can scroll down and you can choose what you would like to happen next. If it is a case that you don't see a linked action and you can hover over it, as you can see right there, you can simply type in what you want to happen, and you can choose from any one of these options. As you can see right here, you could also tap on apps and you can see your popular apps that you could also integrate when it comes onto Lindy AI. And that's basically how you'll be able to set it up. Once you're finished, you can tap on Test in the top right hand corner to test it and see how it works. Then from there, you can tap on Publish Changes. So that's how you'll be able to set it up. That's a real life example. Now, who is Lindy AI for? Lindy AI is perfect for freelancers, founders, and solopreneurs, or busy professionals, anyone who feels overwhelmed by emails and tasks. If you can use email and a calendar, you can use Lindy. You do not need coding or automation experience. Now, let me show you another real-life example of how I use Lindy AI. And for this, I'll be going to my mobile device. Because once you're signed into Lindy AI, it will automatically ask you for your phone number. And from there, you will be able to correspond with Lindy in iMessage. So you can simply send a voice note or so on. And you can create, for example, you'll be able to create a prompt or action that you would like to take place. So you'll be able to create an agent using your mobile device. So it is very handy. Let me show you how. Now, when you sign up to Lindy AI, you're going to automatically receive an iMessage. So you're going to receive an iMessage. So you can see right there, that would be the second message from the top. After you have done that, all you need to do is send a voice memo, and just like that, you'll be able to create an agent. So the agent that I created last night was I wanted to summarize all of my emails from the previous day and send me a summary every night at 9:30 p.m. With that summary, I wanted to choose, and I had set up the criteria and tell me which one of the emails I would need to respond to urgently. So you can see at the top right here, inbox is clear tonight, no urgent emails needing replies. And if it is a case that I would like to correspond with Lindy, all I would need to do is tap on the microphone icon at the bottom, just like what you will do to send a voice memo. And from there, you can correspond. For example, if you would like it to book a particular meeting, if you would like to create an agent or so on, you will be able to do that using your mobile device. So this is why I think that Lindy AI is the perfect virtual assistant, as you technically have it in your pocket and you can choose what you would like it to do. Now let me continue with the tutorial. Here's another real example that you can use when it comes onto Lindy. For example, before a meeting, Lindy can look up who you're meeting, review past emails, summarize context, and prepare talking points. So all you'll need to do is tap right here, and you could give it the prompt, before every meeting, give me a short summary of who I'm meeting and what we've talked about before. Now you walk into meetings prepared without doing the prep work yourself. Another real life example is Task and Follow-up Assistant. Lindy can also help with follow-ups. For example, if someone says, let's follow up later in an email, you can set it to remind you in 3 days. So Lindy detects the message, creates the reminder, and follows up automatically or notifies you. No more forgetting follow-ups. When it comes down to pricing, most people tend to start off on the free plan, and from there you will be able to test 1 or 2 assistants and upgrade once you rely on it daily. And when it comes onto their payment plan, you can get started for as low as $49 per month, and from there you will get access to the ultimate AI work assistant. You will get access to their iMessage with your AI assistant for 24/7. You'll be able to manage your inbox automatically and also draft replies in your own voice. And by the way, if you want to try Lindy AI, I've put a free link in the description so you can follow along. What Lindy AI is not. Lindy AI is not a chatbot you constantly talk to, and it is not a coding tool and not a complicated automation software. It's built for normal people who want less mental load. And when I would say Lindy AI is worth it, Lindy AI is worth using if you repeat the same task daily, you deal with lots of emails, and you forget follow-ups, or you want less mental clutter. The more repetitive your work is, the more powerful Lindy becomes. Lindy AI isn't about doing more work, it's about removing the work you shouldn't be doing in the first place. If you want a smarter, calmer workflow, it's a tool worth trying. Hope you found this review and tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.